Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Anisa Paramudita Cahya Kharisma. Here I want to present my research proposal as a final examination of seminar on English language teaching. I'm going to present about my research proposal. The title is An Analysis of Students' Error in Writing Hortatory Exposition Text at 6th semester of English Department in University of Sultan Ageng Tetayasa. In the chapter 1, consists of background of the research, the identification of the research, limitation of the problem, formulation of the problem, the significance of the research, and etc. The chapter 2 consists of definition, purpose, kinds of writing, definition, general structure, language feature of hortatory exposition text, definition, types and cause of error, definition of error analysis, and previous studies. In the last chapter, consists of research design and method, place of the research, instruments, and data collecting technique, data analysis technique, and research procedure. In the chapter 1, the problem I will identification is writing is an essential skill in English that students must learn or students must mastering in writing, whether it's in vocabulary, tenses, or grammar. The second is students are having trouble in writing. The third is students also make errors while writing. The formulation of problem that I will analyze is what kind of error that students make in writing hortatory exposition text at 6th semester of English department in University of Sultan Ageng Tetayasa, and what are the causes of the students' error in writing hortatory exposition text in the 6th semester of English department in University of Sultan Ageng Tetayasa. The objective of this research are to figure out what kind of error students usually use when writing hortatory exposition text in the 6th semester of the department of the English department at the University of Sultan Ageng Tetayasa, and to discover the causes of the students' error in writing hortatory exposition text in the 6th semester of English department at University of Sultan Ageng Tetayasa. In the chapter 2, I will analyze about writing and hortatory exposition text. The definition of writing itself writing is one of 4 skills in learning English is important, as said by Hammer, the 2004, 31 until 33, state that writing encourages students to focus on accurate language use because they think as they write. It may provoke well developments as they resolve problems which writing puts in their mind. The definition of hortatory exposition text are hortatory exposition text could be a kind of spoken or written text that's supposed to clarify the listeners or readers that something ought to or shouldn't happen or be done. Interlanguage 2008 161. The generic structure of hortatory exposition usually has 3 components. The first is thesis. It is statement or announcement of issue concern. The second is arguments. It contains of the reasons of doing something. And the last is recommendation. It includes statement of what should or should not happen or be done based on the given arguments. And in the last chapter, the design of the research that I will analyze is carry out a content review. I will analyze this research is I will use qualitative research by carrying out a content review, and the research participants of this research are students of sixth semester of English department in University of Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa. The instrument and the data collecting technique that I will use in this research is document and questionnaire. The document itself, I will ask the students to write hortatory exposition text, and the questionnaire consists of 10 statements that students must answer in. It is written in English. And for data analysis technique, the researcher will use data condensation, data display, and drawing, verifying conclusion. All right, I think it's enough for my presentation. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.